Happy 2020 everyone! The first unboxing for 2020, and that's the Mercedes G63 AMG from Era Car Hong Kong. This casting is definitely one of the heavyweight for Era Car. It's heavy and it comes in a standard regular Era Car packaging box. A few colors for the G63 is available. You can check the link down below and also where to get them. It's a licensed model and behind you can see the stickers and also the contact for Era Cars. Wow, this casting is awesome! Definitely one of the better casting for 2019. And before this video, I can't help but show the actual casting on my Instagram page because it's just so impressive. The finishing are decent and presentable that make this G63 look so realistic. The whole body is in die cast except the base and also minimal plastic components, and it also comes with rubber wheel sets and rolls perfectly fine. The highlight is definitely the opening features such as the door and the opening hood. We showcase a lot of details within and I'm very happy with it. The side mirror is painted and shows a very realistic interior. No suspension on the casting, but it rolls perfectly fine. The chrome finishing as well as the wood paneling details is definitely a bonus. I can't say that the paint job is perfect, but I like the carbon fiber finishing around the body. In conclusion, this G63 is a fabulous casting at a very reasonable price tag. What I'm very impressed is the opening features without compromising on the realism, and will definitely looks great in every collector's collection and also in diecast photography. This Tarmac Works Porsche RWB930 is a random giveaway to my subscribers who actively comment, like and share my videos in this channel. I will select and announce the lucky subscriber next week, so be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!